This is the Dodal Y018 Automatic Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Package included: 1 vacuum cleaner robot, 2 T-shape rag, 2 brush, 1 dust box, 1 charging adapter, 1 chargeable battery, built-in, 1 user manual. Super strong, 2000 PA strong suction, so the all kinds of hair, dust, stains and particles can be removed and cleaned thoroughly and efficiently. Suitable for cleaning floors, corners, the places underneath furniture, sofas and other areas that are hard to reach, creating a clean and comfortable home. Automatically move. Intelligent automatic moving will automatically change direction when meet walls and obstacles. Easy operating, only pressing the button, it will sweep, enhance the efficiency of cleaning. The rate of clearing away the dust can be up to 95%. Add the magnet on the button case in order to eliminate the metal objects during cleaning. Battery. Charging time, 5 hours, each time continuous operation, about 90 to 100 minutes. Battery capacity, 1800 mAh, long service life. Other features: input voltage, AC 110 to 220 volts, input frequency, 50/60ths of a hertz, output voltage, DC 9 volt, output current, 500 mA, output power, 4.5 watt, noise, 55 decibels. Check details. Purchase link on description below. Get coupons. "35-day buyer protection, money-back guarantee." Worldwide sale. Customer reviews are very well. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share my video.